Welcome to the next installment in my video lecture series for macroeconomics. And in this particular video lecture, I'm going to take a look at how to calculate the inflation rate given the consumer price index. Now you can see up here it says sample exam question 3.5. You can ignore this. To be honest with you, I recycled this from another course that I taught. So I'm just using the keynote presentation from that course in order to put this together. So you don't really need to be concerned with this being a sample exam question. I'm just illustrating to you how to calculate the inflation rate from the consumer price index. So if you're given the following information. In 2004, the CPI was 188.9, increasing to 195.3 in 2005. What was the inflation rate during this period? So the formula that we're going to use is the inflation rate is consumer price index at time t minus the consumer price index at t minus 1, and then that will be divided by the consumer price index at t minus 1. So for our example here, this is the consumer price index at time t is going to be equal to 2005 or 193.5. And the consumer price index at time t minus 1 is going to be equal to 188.9. So we're going to have 195.3 minus 188.9 divided by 188.9, excuse me. So all we're doing is calculating the percent change in the consumer price index. So if we work that out, we end up with 6.4 over 188.9, and if we divide that through, we end up with a an inflation rate of 3.4. So remember, that's how you calculate the inflation rate using the consumer price index. You calculate the percent change in the consumer price index, and that gives us the inflation rate.